dropped GPT 4.1 and it's kind of wild. I mean, we're still getting used to GPT 4.0 and boom, a full upgrade with 3 new models, faster speed, better coding, longer memory, and a price that will make your wallet smile. So today, let's break it down all for you. What's new, what's better, and how does it stack up against Claude Sonnet and the rest? Stick around because this one is going to be good for you. Okay, so let's start with the basics. GPT 4.1 isn't just one model, it's a whole family. OpenAI launched GPT 4.1, GPT 4.1 mini, GPT 4.1 nano. All of them are smarter, faster, and more capable than GPT 4.0 and its mini version. One of the biggest flexes is these models can handle up to 1 million tokens. That's like loading a whole book series and asking the AI to remember everything. And they've also refreshed the knowledge cutoff to June 2024. So if you're wondering whether it knows the latest trends, tools, or framework, so yes, it does. So now that you know what these new models are, let's talk about why they even need to exist in the first place. GPT 4.0 was solid, no doubt, but OpenAI wanted to push further. They focused on 3 key upgrades: making coding better and more reliable, improve how the model follows instructions, let it handle much longer inputs, and keep track of things without messing up. And they nailed it. GPT 4.1 scored 54.6% on the SWE Bench verified test. That's a 21% jump from GPT 4.0. And it scored 38.3% on the multi-challenge benchmark, 10.5% better at following instructions. And on the long context comprehension, it got 72% on video MME. That's the best score out there right now. Pretty impressive, right? But wait, it gets better, because if you thought GPT 4.1 was all brains, let's talk about the mini and nano versions as well. These are built for speed and affordability. Let's start with GPT 4.1 mini. This thing is a total workhorse. It beats GPT 4.0 in most benchmarks, slashes latency in half, and cuts cost by a jaw-dropping 83%. Like what? Then there's GPT 4.1 Nano. This one's built for tasks that needs lightning speed. Things like autocomplete, classification, or background agents. And even though it's small, it still scores 80.1% on MMLU, 50.3% on GPQA, and 9.8% on coding. So yes, don't sleep on Nano. It's quick, smart, and super cheap to run. And here's the best part everyone's curious about. How does GPT 4.1 hold up against Claude Sonnet? Let's dig in. Claude Sonnet's been the go-to for research tasks and deep writing. It's clean, thoughtful, and context-aware. But GPT 4.1, it gives Claude a run for its money. It outperforms Sonnet in coding and structured instruction following, and the best part is it's way more cost effective. So if you're building real-world application, automating tasks, or just want an AI that can actually follow your prompts, GPT 4.1 might be the better pick. Alright, now let's get into the fun part. How does this new model perform in actual coding tasks? Here's where GPT 4.1 shines. On SWE Bench, it completes 54.6% on task. That's a big step up from GPT 4.0's 33%. But it's not just about passing all the tests. It can understand entire code bases, make smart edits, follow different formats, and build working solutions that pass real unit tests. On Ada's coding benchmark, GPT 4.1 nailed both whole file edits and differences. And for front-end development, paid human graders picked GPT's 4.1 design over GPT's 4.0's 80% of the time. That says a lot. So we are seeing the performance. Let's talk about the access, pricing, and what's changing in the API world. If you're wondering where to use GPT 4.1, it's currently only available through the API, not in ChatGPT yet. And heads up, OpenAI is phasing out ChatGPT 4.5 preview on July 14, 2025. Why? Because ChatGPT 4.1 basically outperforms in most areas and does with less cost and lower latency. So yes, it's time to upgrade. To wrap it up, GPT 4.1 is a beast. It's smarter, faster, cheaper, and more reliable. With a 1 million token memory, better instruction handling, and real-world coding chops, it's honestly a no-brainer for developers, creators, and also for researchers. Just a quick information, guys, if you're interested in mastering the future of technology, the professional certificate course in generative AI and machine learning is the perfect opportunity for you. Offered in collaboration with the ENICT Academy, IIT Kanpur, this 11-month live and interactive program offers hands-on experience in cutting-edge areas like generative AI, machine learning, and tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, and even Hugging Face. So hurry up and enroll now and find the course link in the description box below and in the pinned comments. So guys, try it now through the API or services like OpenRouter, and if you liked this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI updates, and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.